How to recover your Valorant account with first email. Hello everyone, I'm Anna here to guide you. So without any further ado, let's get started. Open up any web browser. Here I'm opening Google Chrome. Now tap on the search bar and then search recover Valorant account and then click on search. Open up the first link that appears on your screen. Now here scroll down and on the search bar you need to write whatever issue you are facing, and here I'm writing recover account with email. Now after writing this, click on the option of search and then here you can see there are various options, but on the top there is the recover your account statement from 4 years ago. Simply tap on it and then scroll down and click on recover username. Now after this, here you need to type your email, and after typing your email click on the arrow option, and after that a 4-digit verification code will be sent to your email address. All you need to do is provide that email address, and in this way you can recover your Valorant account with first email. So that's it for the video. If this video helped you out, please leave a like and subscribe for more. Got questions? Please leave in the comments down below. Signing up until next time.